Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you some ideas and crafts for Red Wagon themed birthday party. Let's start! You can use illustration board, cut it in a rectangular shape, then you may write words like fun, enjoy, sweet, food, drinks, place these at your door entrance visible to your guest. I used 1/4 illustration board using the black side of it. You can write anything that your baby loves, likes, favorite, and some first words. You may add photo frame and make 12 versions, then put photos from 0 to 12 months respectively, and at the back, guest write wishes for the birthday celebrant. Let your guest guess which profession your baby will choose. I used pebbles, small transparent jars, and objects like stethoscopes, ruler, rosary, abacus, and joysticks that identifies profession. You may add decor like hanging photos from 0 to 12 months and add some teddy bears. Red Wagon themed birthday party would be complete if you have a real wagon car. I used woven basket with red cloth to hold incoming gifts from guests. This is the complete and finished setup for Red Wagon themed birthday party. For food and dessert setup, I simply prepared chocolate fountain, crepes, marshmallows, stick-o, biscuits, and waffles. I just bought Kinder Joy surprise eggs as a token for guests and young kids. We just ordered customized cakes near our place. You may put woven mats for the kids to play outside. Here are some photo shoots we've made at home using props like wagon cars, teddy bears, book, and balloons. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.